Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are together again for a tutorial and I think we're gonna have a very golden time. So I'm starting off with a primer, and this is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer, which is now my favorite primer of all times. For concealer, I'm grabbing the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer from First Aid Beauty, and I'm just going to put that on the top of my eyelids and blend it out with a dampened beauty blender. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to grab here out of the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette is Are You Kidding Me? And I'm just going to sweep that on my crease. And then I'm going to grab the color Wine and Dine, and I'm going to place that on the crease as well. And then I'm going to grab the color Hashtag to blend out any harsh lines. I'm going to grab the color Teddy Bear, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of the eyelid. And then we're going to go in with Teddy Bear again. And then Hashtag on the outer corner just to soften everything out. And I'm going to grab some of my concealer on a flat concealer brush. And I'm just going to clean up the lid on the area where I want to apply that golden color. And I'm going to go in with the color Toffee. I actually really love this gold color. The shade looks so good. The pigmentation is awesome. It just looks so pretty on the eyes. And then I'm going to go in with some more of Teddy Bear on the outer corner to blend everything in so it can look nice and seamless. Soda Break. And for foundation, I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Cafe. Grabbing my concealer again, and I'm just going to clean up the under eye. Apply some concealer on the bridge of my nose, as well as my chin, and some of my forehead. Blending everything out with the sponge. Setting the concealer with my Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. For eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is like my holy grail liner. It's affordable, it's effective, it's so easy to use. I absolutely live for this eyeliner. And this part's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just creating a wing on my lid. I'm just going to go ahead and knock the powder off, just using a fluffy powder brush. Then I'm going to grab the color Wine and Dine again, and on a very short, small shader brush, I'm going to apply it on the bottom lash line. And I'm going to grab some of Teddy Bear and blend that in with the Wine and Dine on the bottom lash line. For contour, I'm using the PUR Sculptor Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm just going to grab that very brown contour shade. Then we're just blending it in to the hollows of the cheeks and onto the forehead. For blush, I have the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Achiote. And of course my camera died and totally missed the lipstick part, but I'm using an ABH matte lipstick in Rosewood. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in my next video.